Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add links to your Upscrolled bio. So if you want to share your website, YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, or any other social media link directly on your profile, just follow along step by step. All right, let's get started. First, open the Upscrolled app on your phone. At the bottom right, tap the profile icon to go to your profile page. Next, look at the top and tap Edit Profile. Here, you'll see the option for links. Tap on it to go to Manage Links page. Here, tap on Add Link or the plus icon at the top right. First, enter link title. Next, paste the link you want to add to your bio. This can be your YouTube channel link, Instagram profile, TikTok account, website, or any other URL you want people to visit. Once you're done, tap Save. You can repeat this step to add up to 5 different links to your profile. After adding your links, go back once and tap the check mark at the top right to save your changes. Give it a second to update, and that's it. Your links have now been successfully added to your Upscrolled bio. Now, when someone visits your profile, they can easily tap on any of your links and go directly to your content, making it super easy for people to connect with you. And that's all. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick, easy tutorials like this.